So, good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Much better. Thank you for that. Show of hands, how many of you believe that teaching is a top career choice for today's young? Okay. A few hands. And that's not surprising. Only 4.2% of students aspire to become teachers. And according to the OECD Education at a Glance 2020 report, it suggests that there's a declining interest in teaching, and this is linked to the challenging aspects of the job, the low pay, or the societal respect. And despite being one of the most impactful professions, it's often viewed as a fallback career. And I want to challenge that perception today. I believe the teaching profession stands on the brink of a transformative era, and the future holds great promise for educators and making it a compelling and an attractive career path for the young. In ancient Indian culture, the guru has always been revered as a teacher, but also as a guide and a mentor. And guru in Sanskrit, gu means darkness and ignorance, and ru means light and dispeller. So guru really stands for someone who dispels the darkness of ignorance. And India has always had a very special place for its teachers, one of great reverence and love. And for the past 16 years, I've worked in schools and institutions of higher education, and I've witnessed firsthand the transformation in the education sector and the shifting role of teachers. I've also spent 8 years doing doctoral research on the teaching profession. So, teachers, the teaching profession, its history, its future, all of these topics are really close to my heart. I'm excited and convinced that with the advent of AI, the teaching profession will have a magic wand and it will be restored to its former glory of respect, admiration, and societal prestige, much like the gurus of ancient India. So let's take a journey, what it means to be a teacher and what the future holds. First and foremost, teaching is very special. There's a reason it's called the noble profession. Consider the profound impact that a teacher has when she steps into the classroom every single day. We often don't realize that in the moment, but the lessons a teacher teaches, be it personal or academic, they carry us through life. Take my first grade teacher, Rivero ma'am. She taught me cursive handwriting. And it's a seemingly small thing, but one that has stayed with me my entire life. To this day, when somebody praises my handwriting, I think of her. Teachers plant seeds that grow in unexpected ways, sometimes over decades. This is why teaching isn't just a job, it's a profession with a legacy that outlasts individual careers and they touch generations. A few days ago, and let me say this happens quite often, we received a letter written by a senior school student to her primary teacher. And the student wrote, "I always remember you as the teacher who carried the little girl and danced her heart out during the field trip. The one who ran to rescue a child who had just fainted. The teacher was there for her students regardless of however many of us there were. And most importantly, the person to stand up for me when none of my classmates wanted anything to do with me. I had the strength to walk into school every day because I knew my class teacher had my back." This is the essence of teaching. The emotional connection, the bond, the care, the commitment to a child's well-being. Teachers are the ones who quite literally can change children's lives. Very, very few professions offer these kind of opportunities on a daily basis to create impact. Dr. Abdul Kalam, India's missile man, credited his school teacher, Shiva Subramanya Iyer, for really sparking a sense of curiosity in him. He used practical examples to explain very complex concepts to his students. And so his teacher took the students to the beach to see the birds and to study how birds fly. And this experience sparked Dr. Kalam's love for aeronautics and eventually space exploration. Great teachers enjoy enduring respect across profession, even today. Everyone has a teacher they respect, be it a politician or a scientist like Dr. Kalam, an entrepreneur, or every single person in this room today. We all have teachers who have touched our hearts and we remember their impact. Very few professions have that kind of enduring impact like teaching does. The Global Teacher Index 2018, it was a study done across 35 countries where participants were asked to rate professions based on how respected they perceive them to be. After doctors, lawyers, engineers, teachers were ranked as one of the most respected professions. The World Economic Forum, in an article that talked about professions, also stated that in the future, when robots and algorithms are going to do jobs that were done by humans, the list of the most respected professions is going to change. And I believe teaching is only going to rank higher than its current number 4. AI will help automate a lot of administrative tasks. From facial recognition for attendance to test correction, test creation, classroom management, and countless other tasks are going to be automated. This means that the greatest deterrent for young people to enter the teaching profession, which is the tedious, mundane, boring, administrative tasks, will be eliminated by AI. Teachers will be able to focus on the more fulfilling parts of the job, being with children, connecting, and helping them grow. Teachers can focus more on attention, connection, and deeper engagement. AI will also make learning more personalized, data-driven, and iterative. Sal Khan talks about that every student is going to have an AI tutor and every teacher is going to have an AI assistant in the future. While we're still uncovering what AI is and its full potential, and today it's AI, it'll be quantum tech or neuromorphic computing in the future, whatever it may be. But one thing is clear: tech cannot replace human connection. In fact, human emotion and connection might be the only thing left in the face of rising technology. The more tech we have, the more teachers we need in the classroom. Teaching could very well be the very few professions where human connection is prioritized as tech increases. A recent McKinsey study notes that professions that need emotional intelligence and human interaction will be the least likely to be fully automated. This makes teaching even more critical than before. Unlike professions like coding, stock trading, which AI can do much better off, teachers will only grow in demand. This means the average wage will increase dramatically. Teaching will be one of the few professions that will see significant wage premiumization in the future. An enlightened monk defined teaching very simply. He said teaching profession is best suited for those who care about development, child development, social development, and personal development. And think about that for a moment. Child development, societal development, and personal development. Teaching as a profession is very unique because it gives us the opportunity not just to make an impact in the world, but to grow as personal human beings. The Deloitte Global 2023 report found that the Gen Zs and the millennials feel a very strong responsibility towards social progress. Many are motivated to make career choices that will align with the possibility of making this world a better place. And this makes teaching an incredibly viable option for the country's youth and the world's future. teaching will attract mission-driven, impact-oriented individuals, and that's a common trait in the young today. In post-war Japan, a time of immense reconstruction and soul-searching, Prime Minister Yoshida was asked, what is the most important profession to rebuild our nation? And without hesitation, he said, teachers. Prime Minister Yoshida understood that the nation isn't built with bricks alone, but with wisdom, values, and nurturing young minds. And he believed that teachers hold the key to shaping the future of innovation and progress. Today, we see the results in that community where the society values knowledge and discipline. And this story from Japan reminds us that at every pivotal point in human history, the role of teachers has been indispensable. Even Nelson Mandela famously had said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Mandela's life exemplifies this belief. During his imprisonment in Robben Island, he converted his prison cell into a classroom. He would teach his fellow inmates history, politics, values of freedom and equality. And he understood that the foundation of a free and fair society is built in classrooms, not courtrooms or legislature. As we stand at the brink of an era defined by AI, a new kind of revolution, human connection, creativity, and the role of teachers is more important than ever. AI is not a threat. It can be an ally. The role of teachers is poised for an extraordinary renaissance. Teachers are the healers of society. They dispel darkness and they share wisdom. They are the architects of the future, building not just young minds, but the very fabric of our communities. The rise of AI means the teachers will be empowered to do what they do best: connect, inspire, and lead. The future is one where every teacher, whether it's in a bustling city or a remote village, has the tools, the respect, and the support to nurture empathy and social progress. The future is one where exceptionally talented and motivated youngsters will enter teaching, armed with tech, but most importantly with heart. The future is one where teaching is not just a fallback career, but a calling, an irreplaceable, ever-evolving profession that thrives with each and every generation. It's time to reimagine teaching for the future. When teachers thrive, society thrives. And that is the future we need to build. So, on behalf of all the teachers in this room and all the teachers around the world, we look forward to welcoming the next generation of teachers, next generation of gurus into our classrooms. Thank you, everyone.